So here are both of the speakers, the Devialet Mania and the Sonos Move 2. As you can see, no fakery here, just pure sound test. Both are connected because the battery is flat. So yeah, let's test them out.
Starbucks. Whoa, whoa, I don't know why you act tough. You're a white girl, black leggings and them brown Uggs. No, no, Vicky, whoa, Vicky, can you keep your Vicky, I don't know, Vicky, I don't know. Vicky, just a little girl. Got a new girl and she goes both ways. Got a foreign girl, so she's not boring. Need a Audi coupe, cause it got four rings. Wasn't overnight, blew up in 4 days. You got it anyway, had like 4 ways. Now she's loose like doorways. When I'm on the stage, cause I your crew device, your blood ice. One look could kill. Says you screw my
suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up.
Okay, so the Devialet sounds way better as you heard. The Sonos is really convenient, but yeah, I'm not that impressed with the sound. You can change the EQ, but you have to register the product, which I find a bit stupid by Sonos. I really don't like that, but all in all, nice product, but yeah, in the sound department, the Devialet is way better. The Devialet starts from 25 Hz, hearable, really nice 30 Hz extension, but yeah, it goes down to 25 Hz, which is crazy for a speaker of this size, while the Sonos starts from 40 Hz. When you increase the volume, the Sonos loses all its bass. It sounds like a kitchen radio, so a bit louder than the Devialet, but the Devialet really sounds better at maximum volume than the Sonos. They aren't comparable to bigger speakers like Tribit Stormbox Blast or the Harman Kardon Go and Play 3 or the first gen, I mean the Mini, so the second gen, or any JBL boombox. Yeah, that's a way bigger speaker, like 4 times, 5 times the size of the Devialet, so yeah, not really comparable, but in this size segment I would say the Devialet is the best speaker you can get, while the Sonos is really feature rich. It has line-in, although you need to buy a adapter, but you can live with that. Then it's a really nice speaker, really nicely built. I've seen they are using some better plastic, so it should not crack even when you drop it, and it sounds pretty nice, pretty clean, but I don't like the high end of it. And the bass, I would recommend you set the EQ to -3 or -5 to get some deeper bass extension in higher volumes. When using lower volumes, it's okay even on the standard preset, but when you increase the volume, I would say the bass is punchy while you are using the zero bass EQ. When you lower it to -3 or -5, you get a better bass extension and the sound is not pushed, so I would say it sounds a bit better. But yeah, I've already had the thing in the box. I wanted to test it out and compare it to the Devialet, as I got the Devialet and instantly I could hear it sounds better, yeah. So one thing that sucks with Sonos, you actually have to register the product in order to use all its features, and you have to set it up in the app, even to use it with Bluetooth. So if that's something you would like to use, the Bluetooth functionality, you also need to set it up in the Sonos app, which I find not that nice. So yeah, that's about it. The Devialet is a bit smaller, I would say. And I'm using a mono microphone, but the Devialet sounds more stereo. So the Sonos is like a speaker in one place, and Devialet really disappears as the full range drivers on the front and the back. So the 4 drivers, like it bounces around the surfaces, so it really creates a big sound stage, so that's really nice. Yeah, the bass goes deeper. The only fault I can give the Devialet is the no line in, no USB audio, yeah, so just wireless. through the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and it doesn't have Tidal Connect, which sucks because yeah, I can use Tidal Connect with Sonos. Yeah, so that's about it. I like them both, but in terms of sound, I would say the Sonos has some I mean, I like them both, but Sonos has some sound limitations. I really don't like the sound of the Sonos, to be completely honest with you. I expected something a bit better. I would even say a pair of Bang & Olufsen A1s. I may even prefer them to the Sonos, as they have a really nice open sound with huge soundstage in stereo. You just like some bass, but yeah, I would say they are pretty comparable, which is not that good of a thing for the Sonos. I would even say the highs are better on the B&Os. And for asking price of 500 euros for the Sonos, the Devialet is around 600 right now. Yeah, I would not recommend the Sonos for the price. When the Devialet is at its normal asking price, the 800 euros, I wouldn't say it's worth it either. So yeah, two premium brands, I would say. Not that great of a price to performance. I would recommend the Harman Kardon Plus Play 3rd gen, but that thing is huge, so if you want something smaller, yeah, not that much on the market. I would say, yeah, just spend the money and get the Devialet. You will be probably happy. So yeah, okay, that's about it for this video. If you wanna see some more videos, just comment what you wanna see, and I will maybe make it happen. So yeah, bye bye.